Howdy mappers! Today, in this quickie, I'm going to tell you about how to fix your selections if they do not work as they're supposed to. Let me show you just a few examples. For example, in the map I have open now, I want to erase this large island. So I'm clicking the erase button. But nothing has happened. Normally, you should be asked to select the entities you want to delete, right? And I should just be able to click on it. But if you look at the command line down here, you can see that when I click the button, nothing happens. Same with change properties. I can't delete, I can't change properties. I can't do anything that requires selections. Another example for this map, right, erase once, just one click. And the entire map went away. Why? Why did it delete the entire map? What's wrong? Or for my last example, I'm gonna click the erase button, and instead of asking me to select entities, it's actually asking me for a layer name, a dialog. And I can bring up the layer dialog and do things. What is going on here? Like the background, for example, and I actually managed to delete the background layer. So what's happening here is that Campaign Cartographer 3 Plus has a lot of different selection methods. Most of these are meant for use in more special situations like macros. There are reasons why you may use several of them yourself as well, but the common theme here is that your selection method for one reason or another have changed. One of the more common situations this can happen if you didn't do it on purpose is a macro that somehow crashed and wasn't able to finish, because macros usually set a different selection methods, then they do what they need to do and they set your normal one back when they are done. So let me see, how can we fix this? How can I make my selection work again? Well, all I have to do is go to Tools, Options. I pick the Select method and I make sure it's set to Dialog or Pop-up. This is the normal selection method you want to use, the basic selection method in Campaign Cartographer. Hit OK and hit OK. Now I can select entities as I'm used to. I can delete that, but that's all that's required. Tools, Options, Select method, Dialog or Pop-up. That's the option you want to. If you prefer typing thing on the command line, you can also just type in, watch my command line now, cell by D. It means select by dialog, and it does the exact same thing. It's just a much quicker way of doing it. But if you don't like to use the command line, just use the menu as I just showed you. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.